How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to an episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over our new Raptor-X versus our old version Raptor-X. Now on our new Raptor-X, you'll have a 15.5 inch dimension per side here, versus our old Raptor-X has an 18-inch dimension. Now the only change is the 15.5 inches on our new Raptor-X's, and our original Raptor and our Raptor Super Takedown will be the 18-inch dimension. And then the other update is the new dual memory SIG plug products that we recently introduced. So our new Raptor-X's will have the dual memory as well. So for example here, I brought our old version Raptor-X in an amber color. And you'll notice that I have my old SIG plug here, so I have my on-off function, and then I have my flash pattern changer. So you simply have on-off and then your flash pattern changer. Now on our new Raptor-X's, you'll notice I have my new SIG plugs here, so you have two power modes. So for example here, I brought a multicolor Raptor-X linear in red, blue, amber. So in color mode 1, I have a multicolor flash pattern programmed, and then in my second power mode, I have an amber flash pattern programmed. So I can easily swap between my multicolor, or I can go to run to a single color off of simply going from power mode 1 to power mode 2 here. And then on the bottom, I brought a Raptor-X TIR in red, blue. Now again, you do have two flash pattern memories. So I have my half-half flash pattern here programmed in power mode 1, and then in power mode 2, I have an alternating style flash pattern, so I can easily swap between two different flash patterns. And our TIR will come in single, dual, and alternating color combinations, versus our linear will be available in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in multicolor. And then we also have our new visor extender for our new Raptor-X's as well, which is perfect for mounting in your vehicle paired with our vehicle specific brackets, or both of these units will come with our universal brackets included as well. Now you can find our old version Raptor-X on clearance for a great price right now, and then we also have our 17% off site-wide going on, so it's a great time to get our new Raptor-X as well. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.